I'm making this video from basically my backyard in Tucson. This is the Sonoran Desert. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. It rained last night, so the aromas and the colors are so vivid. I'm out for my morning walk, and I was excited to create this video because I have an upcoming tour to the UK in September 2026. It's just around the corner, and I haven't been back to the UK since 2017. I was going there on a regular basis as there was so much interest in somatics in that part of the world, so I can't wait to return. The venue is in England in the countryside, and it's a very special property. The yoga studio was designed to be very private, very modern, in a very unique and special location. I think I've taught there 5 times in the past or more. The people that run it are my friends. And you fly into London, you take a train to Nottinghamshire. Some of you have heard of the Robin Hood legends. So this is the part of the world where those legends took place. And there's 2 trainings and retreats that I'll be facilitating. The first one is level 1, where I teach you 25 somatic movement flows. Each flow has a very specific anatomical focus to help us unwind and free that part of the body and strengthen the brain to muscle connection. So these can be learned to use as standalone to help with specific conditions, or you can arrange them to create a class or a workshop or any other event. Very popular for yoga teachers, yoga therapists, body workers. Somatics is becoming a buzzword around the world. I can't believe that it's 4 decades later that I've been practicing somatic education, and people are reaching out wanting to learn more. So this is the perfect time if you wanted to learn in person. And then I'm also teaching Gentle Somatic Yoga level 3, and I wanted to highlight this course, especially if you're a body worker, yoga therapist, nutritionist, physical therapist, chiropractor, anybody who works with people one-on-one. I have had a private practice for about 4 decades, and the bulk of the people that find me have been in very serious physical challenges. For example, frozen shoulder, lower back pain, TMJ, people with fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, hip replacements, or about to have knee replacements, sport injuries. And so people would find me because this type of work that I'm going to be sharing in GSY Level 3, this customized body work, is to help switch on parts of the brain that have been dormant, to help people regain flexibility, mobility, so many other benefits, hydrating the fascia. So anyway, I teach these tried and true 10 to 12 assisted pendiculation protocols in GSY Level 3. Invaluable. You're not going to find this training anywhere else. And then also I'll be inspired to share with you how to bring traditional somatic movement flows to the chair, using the chair as a prop. And I love using the chair as a prop because the surface of the chair gives our body other choice points, nourishing choice points of how to move to unwind from sensory-motor amnesia. That's the places where the muscles are temporarily stuck, contracted as if on autopilot. So the chair is a wonderful prop to use. So that happens in GSY Level 3 as well. So anyway, if you're interested, if you live in the UK or Europe, or if you want to fly and meet me over there, you fly into London, you take a train to Nottinghamshire, somebody picks you up, and it's just it's a beautiful place to come together in conscious somatic community. So I hope you join us.